Hey, I'm Steve, and today we're going to check out this telescopic table. It's made by LuxJet. These things are cool. When you open the box, this is what you get. You get the actual table and you get some instructions. The first thing that I notice is it comes with a carrying handle and you've got two little clasps here to snap open. Flip it over, you can kind of see some of the inner workings and where the hinges are. All right, that's what it's going to look like when you initially open it. This is removable. So what you're left with is the tabletop right here. Push in these two sidebars right there and right there, and that will lock the table in place and keep it from closing. All right, let's flip it over, and there is your tabletop. All right, so what you got, you've got the top here, and you've got these two pegs, and you're going to mount those two holes in them. So get it lined up, drop it in, push it down, and now you're going to grab this and pull it to your desired height, whatever that is, and there it is. It's locked in. Now all you have to do is turn it over and you've got your stool and table. Once you put it together, here's what your little stool and table is going to look like. Very convenient, very lightweight, portable. Right here you can see just how convenient and nice a little table like this would be. To pack it up and go is easy. Keep in mind also that without the tabletop, you have a handy little convenient stool. Now they claim that the stool will support 180 kilograms, which is pretty close to 400 pounds, but I'm about 205, 210 maybe, and I'm sitting on this little stool with no problems whatsoever. If you just want to use the stool, there you go. Little carrying handle, super lightweight, and you can take that pretty much anywhere. Once again, I'm Steve, and if you're looking at this portable stool and tabletop from LuxJet, I hope you found this video helpful.